Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about mean chart and range chart. This is a question, university question of MBA 21-22 year. This is a 16 marks question. So the question I have written the question. Discuss the various statistical control charts you can draw to control process in an organization. Draw the X chart and R chart for the following data, often over 5-day period. The product is made on single machine by a single operator. The sample size is 5 and 2 samples are taken per day. The sample size given is 5 and 2 samples are taken per day. So, what is your comment on the process based on the control chart? The factors of control chart for n equal to 5 is given in the question. Value of A, B and C. These are called the control factors. Then the table, this table is given in the question. So the number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The sample size is 5 and 2 samples are taken per day. 2 samples are taken per day means total number of sample is 10. So how to answer the question? First we'll discuss about we have to find the mean chart and R chart. Mean chart is also known as X bar chart, gives an idea about the central tendency of the observations. R chart will give an idea about the dispersion of the observations. So we'll start to solve the question. So for finding control limit for X bar chart, the upper control limit is X double bar plus AR bar. Lower control limit for mean chart is X double bar minus AR bar. Like that, the control limit for R chart is upper control limit is BR bar, lower control limit is CR bar. So we know how to find, we know the upper control limit and lower control limit. So what do we need here? We need R bar and X double bar. So we have to calculate from this table X double bar and R bar. So first we have to calculate the mean. After that we will find the X double bar. So we'll solve it. I have drawn the question table once again. So these are the sample number. Like what is given in the question, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the observations and these are the values given for sample number 1 to 10. So first we have to calculate the X bar. How we are going to calculate the X bar? We know X bar is the central value or the central tendency. जो mean हम लोग पढ़े थे, that is the mean only. So how we are going to calculate the mean for the 5 observations? We'll take the sum of the observations divided by the number of observations. What is sum of the observations? Like we'll add 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 8 plus 9. Then we'll divide it by 5 because observations are 5. So we'll take the sum of the observations 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 8 plus 9 divided by 5 because the observations we have taken here 5. N equal to 5. So X bar for this, for sample number 1 is how much it is coming? We'll take the summation. plus 12 is 22. 22 plus 13 is 35. 35 plus 8 is 43. 43 plus 9 is 52. 52 divided by 5. So it is coming 10.4. This is the x bar for this first sample number. For the second, we will calculate like 7 plus 10 plus 8 plus 11 plus 9 divided by 5. It will come 9.0. Like that, we will calculate for all the sample number. So, the value will be like 11 plus 12 plus 9 plus 12 plus 10 divided by 5. So, it will come 10.8. So, I am writing all the values. This is 10.2. This is 8.8. This is 9.6. This is 11.4. Then 11.2. Then 11.6. And the last one is 10.2. So, what is the range? So, to find range, what we will do? That is the highest value of the observations like 13 and minus the lowest value. Here, to find the range, we have to subtract the lowest value of the observations from the highest value of the observations. जो highest value है observations का, उससे अगर हम लोग lowest value of the observation minus कर लेंगे, then we will find the range. So यहाँ पर अगर highest value देखेंगे, that is 13 minus 8, lowest is the 8. 13 minus 8 is 5. Like that, we will calculate for all the sample number. So 11 minus 7 is 4. 3. This one is 5. This one is 4. This one is 3. This one is 4. 2, 3 and 6. So now we got the x bar value and the range, that is the mean and the range. So next what we need to find? So to calculate the upper control limit and lower control limit, what we need? We need the x double bar plus AR bar. For lower control limit of mean chart, we need to find x double bar minus AR bar. Like that, for range, we have to, for our chart, we have to find upper control limit for equal to BR bar and lower control limit is CR bar. So, we need to calculate x double bar and R bar because A, B, C value is given in the question for sample number for sample size 5. So, next what we need to do? We need to calculate x double bar, which is equal to, that is sigma of x bar divided by k. K is the number of samples that is collected, that is 10. So first we need to find the sigma or summation of the x bar. So how much it is coming? 10.4 plus 9.0 plus 10.8 plus 10.2 plus 8.8 plus 9.6 up to 10.2. We have to take the summation. So sigma of x equal to 103.2. Then we have to find sigma of r. So sigma of r equal to 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5. Like this we have to take the sum of 10 samples. So that is sigma of r equal to 39. So x bar will calculate x bar equal to sigma of x bar divided by k, that is 103.2 divided by 10. So it will come 10.32. Like that r bar will calculate r bar equal to sigma of r divided by k, which is equal to 39 divided by 10. It will come 3.9. So we got the value of x double bar and r bar. So we'll put these two values in our to find our upper control limit and lower control limit. This is nothing but our central value. This is the central value. So what we'll do? Now we'll find our control limits for x chart, x bar chart and r chart. So the control limit for x bar, that is upper control limit, equal to x double bar plus a r bar. So what is x double bar? X double bar is equal to 10.32 plus a ka value is given in the question. The value of a is here 0.58. So we'll put that value here, 0.58 into r bar. R bar is equal to 3.9. So how much it is coming? It is 10.32 plus 2.262, which is equal to 12.582. Like that, we will calculate the lower control limit for x bar equal to x double bar minus a r bar. So it is coming 10.32 minus 0.58 into 3.9. This value is coming 10.32 minus 2.262, which is equal to 8.058. Like that, control limits for r, that is upper control limit for r equal to b r bar, which is the value of b is given in the question. Value of b is 2.11, value of c is 0.00. Is 2.11 into 3.9 equal to 8.229. Lower control limit for r equal to c R bar. C ka value is given in the question 0.00 into 3.9, which is equal to 0. So now we got our upper control limit for mean chart and lower control limit for mean chart, and for R chart also we got the upper control limit and lower control limit. Now we plot the graph. So how we are going to plot the graph? So to plot the graph, so to plot the graph, first we'll do for so what we'll do, this is our central value. First we'll write the central value, that is 10.32. The upper control limit is 12.582. The lower control limit for 8.058. This is for X bar chart. So what we'll do, these are our observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we mark like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are our sample number. Sample number. So this is our upper control limit. This is our lower control limit. So if you see, to find the first chart in X bar chart, the first mean is 10.4 for our sample number 1. For sample number 1, the value is 10.4. 10.4. Okay, here. For sample number 2, the value is 9.0. 9.0. Suppose this is 8, this one is 9. It will come here. Third one. Third point is 10.8. For the third observation, it is 10.8. So 10.8 will be here. 10.8. Then the fourth value is 10.4. 10.2. Fourth value is 10.2. 10.2. Then fifth value is 8.8. Fifth value is 8.8. Sixth value is 9.6. Sixth value is, this one is 9.6. 9.6. Now, seventh value is 11.4. Seventh value is 11.4. Eighth value is 11.2. Eighth value is 11.2. Ninth value is 11.6. Ninth value is 11.6. Again, 10th value is 10.2. Again, 10th value is 10.2. So, for the sample 1 to 10, we have plotted the mean value. So, we'll join the graph like this. In freehand, we'll draw the chart. So, this is the X bar chart, and we got all the values within our control limit. So, all the values are within the control limit. Like this, we plot our R chart. So for R chart, the upper control limit is 8.229 and lower control limit is 0. So the x-axis only represent the lower control limit. So this value is 8.229. This is 3.900. This one is 0.000. So this is our upper control limit. This is the lower control limit. So these are our 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if we see, this is 3.00, 3.900. The first value is 5. First is 5. So first value is 5. Second value is 4. Third value is 3. Third is 3. Fourth is 5. Fifth is 4. Fifth value is 4. So for sample number 1, the value is 5. For sample number 2, the value is 4. The sample number 3, the value is 3. Sample number 4, value is 5. Sample number 5, value is 4. For sample number 6, value is 3. Sample number 7, value is 4. Sample number 8, the value is 2. Value is 2. Sample number 9, the value is 3. Value is 3. Sample number 10, the value is 6. So now we have denoted the points. Now we plot the chart. So this will like this. So again we got all our points within the control limit. So this, according to the question was to what is the sample size is 5. If the sample size is 5 and 2 samples are taken per day, what is your comment on the process based on the control chart? The factor of the control charts are given. So we can say all the points of X chart are within the control limit. All the points are also within the control limit. So this chart is completed. I hope this video is useful and to understand about the X bar chart and R chart. Thank you everyone.